Hi, it's Lindsay Dianne from DianneDecor.com. In this video, we're going to talk all about Christmas decor. This is the first video in my 2025 Christmas collection series where we go in store and look at all of the new holiday decor releases. We're going to see if they are worth the trip, worth the money, and we're going to try to see if some of these viral finds are really as great as everyone says they are. I have been in about 20 different stores in the past 2 weeks looking at all of the holiday decor releases. Over the next few videos, I am going to break each one of them down for you so that you know exactly where to shop this year to get the best price on your Christmas decor. Let's start off by comparing the two big box stores, Target and Walmart. Links to everything featured in this video will be in the description box below. Let's get started. My first stop was Target. Now here in the Bullseye Playground, this was formerly called the Dollar Spot, you have these small decorative pillows. They have a small green velvet one that's shaped like a tree and another one that's shaped like a gingerbread house. These are okay. They're $5 a piece. They might be okay in a kid's bedroom or something like that, but I'm not sure that I would put them on my sofa. Then they have these little, Target houses. I think that you could probably pass on these. Now, the bottle brush trees, I would definitely pick up. You can get bottle brush trees anywhere, but this is the first time that I've seen them with like a cutout pattern to them. So some of them are tiered, some of them have like a spiral cutout to them. Those are the ones that I would target. They also have a little glitter embellishment to them that's really nice. Then they have their outdoor mats. These are the coir mats that are kind of rough texture that go outdoors. They have one that's shaped like a gingerbread house cutout and another rectangular one with bows on it. Both of those are $5. I think that's a great price for those. Now the next thing that caught my eye were the nutcrackers, but on closer inspection, they're just not anything special. They're $3 a piece. You can definitely find better other places. Now they have a ton of little knickknack items for tabletop decor. The only thing that I can think to use these for would be maybe as a part of your tablescape. Other than that, they're really not going to give you a lot of bang for your buck, so you might want to skip these. They have these little mini potted plants here for $5. The quality of these is very, very nice, but they are small. So know that you would probably only really be able to use these on like a bathroom countertop or maybe, somewhere on your kitchen island where you don't want it to take up a ton of space. Now, the thing that I loved probably the most out of this entire section were these little yarn trees. They are so, so cute. They come in 3 different colorways. They come white, green, and red. They're $3 each and they light up. I think that this is a great price for this. I hadn't seen anything like this anywhere else. And so I think that this is a good pickup here at Target. They also have some inexpensive stocking holders in two different styles. They have a snowflake and then also a bow or a ribbon. These are $5 each. They have a good weight to them, and I think they're definitely worth the buy. The next item here is this little wooden advent calendar for $5. This is actually really cute. If you want an easy way to kind of keep track of the days in December and count down until Christmas, this is a good find. So moving on to other sections of the store, this is a larger decorative pillow. They have a wreath, they have a little bear, a gingerbread man. These are really cute. For $10, I would say grab them. Their trees are nice, but they're a little bit overpriced. You're going to see some over $100 here for the smaller trees. I'm not sure that I personally would spend that on any tree that's under 6 feet, but they are very pretty. Now, another thing that you're going to see all around the store is this velvet theme. Their little trees here are in the back section in the Wonder Shop area. This is where they put all of the seasonal decor and they swap it out from season to season. Now, these are really inexpensive. You see they have some little reindeer here. The green velvet ones are pretty. The red velvet ones are pretty. They also have these little trees. If you don't want the larger one, you can get a small and a medium one for $6 as well. This gold nutcracker is very, very pretty for $6. Everything in this section here was $6. It was just over the line for the Bullseye Playground, but still very, very affordable. The only thing I would steer away from is the green velvet nutcracker. You can see that it's really not made super well. The felt velvety stuff is all over the place. The next thing that caught my eye were these little houses. This is sort of a refreshing take on a Christmas village. They didn't have a ton of styles, but I think they're pretty cute. They've got a lot of glitter, a lot of embellishment on them, and for $15, I think that they're okay. Now, the thing that is really, really nice here are these taller trees. Now, on the website, they're calling them frosted glitter because they are basically using glitter in the same way that you would frost the tree. I think that these are really gorgeous. They're $25 each. Another pretty find are these acrylic nutcrackers. They have one that's like a clear acrylic and one that's a gold. These are great prices. These larger sort of glitter white trees are $30 each. They're also okay, although some of the glitter is coming off. And then lastly, I saw some more velvet reindeer in the white. These are very pretty, definitely worth the price. Overall, I would give the selection at Target a 3 out of 5 stars. Their stock and their inventory that they have in store, I would also give a 3 out of 5. Everything there was well stocked. We, of course, are at the beginning of the season, so everything in theory should be pretty stocked up, except for some very, very early shoppers. But the stock there was very good. They were still unboxing lots of stuff when I was in the store. Both the prices and ease of shopping, I would give a 4 out of 5. The prices are very, very good at Target. Don't forget to go beyond that Bullseye Playground in the front, because there are still a lot of options that are very inexpensive that hit that $6 mark, but you're going to have to go all the way to the back of the store to find them. And last but not least, I would give the quality of the items a 3 out of 5. Most of them are pretty good, but there were a few pieces in there that looked not so great. We saw the green velvet nutcracker that looked like it had some sort of quality issues going on with it. Some of the glittered pieces, I kind of came away with glitter all over my hands. It's hit or miss on some of those cheaper items. But some of the ones that are at like maybe the $20 or $25 price point, like those little glitter flock trees, were very nice and the glitter didn't come off on me. So I think that overall the quality is fairly good at Target. It's definitely worth stopping in there if you are looking for Christmas decor. Now let's jump into Walmart and see what they have. At Walmart, one of the very first things that caught my eye was their garland. Their garland and their wreaths are always priced really, really well. If you go in for nothing else, I would say go in for the garland or the wreaths. This flocked 9-foot garland for $19.96 is an excellent price. I think it's really a great buy. So if you are in the market for garland, Walmart is going to be one of the best places for you to go. Now, I also found this My Texas House 24-inch cedar that I've seen online a number of places. This for me is a maybe. They have it priced in my store at $32.87. Sure, it's a good quality, but I don't know. I don't know how much anyone would need that. Their ornaments are a good buy. Walmart has a good selection of ornaments. Particularly the ball ornaments I like in the extra large size. These red glitter ones with the ribbing are stunning. I absolutely love them. They are $12.28 for a 4-piece of these shatterproof ornaments. They have them in a lot of different styles, different glitter styles. Again, the velvet, that matte velvet is really in this year. They have those as well. They also have a good selection of like candy themed decor if you have that going on in your home. I would say the candy themed oversized ornaments like the gumdrops and the peppermints are a maybe for me. They were quite flaky, much more so than any of the other ornaments that I saw. It might be because they just have so much little embellishing on them, but honestly, in a later video, we'll get onto Hobby Lobby. I would say if you're going to shop for this type of decor, I would go there first if you have one near you. There are also other places that have it that we will go through in later videos, but those are a maybe. The next thing that I saw were these ornament houses. They're metal. They have some kind of distressing on them that frankly just kind of misses the mark. It's pretty cheap looking, and at $17, I don't think these are worth the price at all. This, however, is. They have this pillar candle holder stag. It has these huge antlers on it and a little platform for your pillar candle. It is really, really nice. I would definitely go in store just to pick this thing up. The price on this one is $22.96, and I think it's definitely worth it. The metal bells are not. The bow is really floppy. It just looks cheap. The bell itself is very thin. It's very reminiscent of that ornament house that I just showed you. I would pass on those bells. I'd spotted some of the viral pine cone holders way up top, and a few of the things that I've seen people feature on TikTok. I was able to find them once I finally rounded the corner in my section. I'll show you here coming up. But all of these little things, you just look around because odds are they have like the excess stock up really, really high, but you will be able to find them down low if you just keep looking around the holiday decor aisles. The next thing that I came across were these floral ceramic trees. They're gorgeous. They're definitely worth the price. The little gold wood nutcracker I would pass on. He is just nothing special. I think that you can find better nutcrackers other places. Now, these little metal reindeer are very, very popular right now. They're supposed to be like a Pottery Barn dupe or something like that. They are $15 and change and $12 and change. Together, you're going to end up paying around $28 for those, but they have the same thing on Amazon for sold as a set for $21. I will leave that linked in the description box below. It's the same thing. Save a few dollars and buy it on Amazon. The nutcrackers that are tiny are really cute. They're worth the price. The wooden ornament houses also have a lot of nice carved detail on them. They're also worth the price. These little sort of like antler branch pillar holders are cute. I was questioning whether or not you could actually balance a candle on them, and you can, but I wouldn't balance a real candle on it. It's not super stable. Sure, it'll fit in there, but I would use a battery operated candle if I were to grab these candle holders. Editing Lindsay here, I just realized that all of these candle holders are actually displayed upside down. The branches are supposed to be on the bottom, and then the platform for the pillar candle goes on top. So that makes more sense why they didn't seem so super stable. Anyways, continuing on. Their little swags with the bells and the brown ribbon are okay. I've seen better other places. Lowe's has some really beautiful swags that are inexpensive. I might go there before here, but this style you're going to see repeated in multiple stores over the next couple of videos. It's a very popular style right now. If you don't have any of those other stores available to you and you want to pick them up from Walmart, yeah, you could. They're okay. Here we found the pine cone candlestick holders. These are really, really cute. They're definitely worth the price. The price on those is, the small one is $5.84 and the small one is $4.84 and the large one is $5.84. Definitely worth the price. This little metal tree is okay. He's around $6. I'm not sure what all you would do with it. I mean, maybe you could get a set of them and just sort of flank a console table or something like that, or you could use them as part of a tablescape. They also have silver metal reindeer as well as these clear acrylic reindeer, but I would be careful. The antler was already broken on this guy. when I got there. So I think that these are probably pretty delicate, but the price is good on these. This little snowflake I was interested in, but when I picked it up, I realized it was wood. It's actually a really light wood, but it has a really shiny, glossy sort of white finish on the front of it. So they're a little bit cheap, but they look pretty. And these teeny tiny little blue acrylic nutcrackers for $3 are probably a pass. Now, when we get into the Christmas trees, the prices here are decent, but they are not the best that I've found. But you won't be disappointed picking up a Christmas tree from Walmart. They're smaller, you know, My Texas House flocked ones. That one there was $35. Their slightly larger little cedar one, I believe, was $69. They have a decent price because the quality of these is really actually very nice. So I think the pricing is okay. But if you're looking for like a cheap tree, like for your kids' rooms or something like that, go to Five Below if you're going to get a tree that small. You can even find them at like CVS and Walgreens. I would be more inclined to buy a cheap tree there than these ones. But if you have a very specific purpose and you want something that's high quality, that's going to be up close to people's eye, like maybe it's on your tablescape, then yeah, it might be worth paying a little bit more. This is the viral cedar tree from My Texas House. It is very pretty, but it's not cheap. And just know it's sparse. So if that's the look that you're going for, that's the look that you're definitely going to get. You're going to be able to see that trunk of the tree very, very clearly from a distance. Last thing I ran across were their monogrammed stockings. These are very nice. They're nice and thick. Go early if you want your choice of a letter. These were supposed to be a William and Sonoma dupe. I think they released stockings like this last year. The price on these is excellent. Definitely pick up stockings at Walmart. Overall at Walmart, I would give their selection and their stock 3 out of 5. Their prices are good. I would give them a 4 out of 5 for price. Their ease of shopping is also pretty good, but what I would say is to look out for some of these holiday decor items because they are not shipping everything. Some things are only going to be for pickup. So if you're shopping online, look closely because some of these holiday decor items that are very, very popular that you're seeing go viral are only for pickup only. So if you do not have a Walmart near you, you're not going to be able to get shipping on those items. The quality of the items at Walmart is a little hit or miss as well. I would give them a 3 out of 5. Overall, if you're in the area, if you're already in Walmart, it's definitely worth browsing around those aisles, especially if you're looking for garland or wreaths. The prices there are excellent. So definitely check out Walmart for those items. And of course, for their ornaments as well, especially if you're looking for those oversized large ornaments, the pricing on those is really great at Walmart. Overall, if I had to choose between the two, I think that Target edges Walmart out just a bit. Their quality is nice. They have a nice sort of trendy, modern vibe to a lot of their decor selection. And not only do they have the Bullseye Playground, but they have a lot of decor items that are at that $6 price point that are really beautiful. And compared to Walmart's pricing with the $13, $17 range, I think that Target is the better buy. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget that there are links to all of the items featured in this video in the description box below. And don't forget to visit me at DianneDecor.com. I post all about Christmas decor and holiday decor ideas over there. I thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.